Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel Intelligible Tutorials. In this today's session, I want to give you the information regarding Python characteristics. Okay, so this is regarding Python characteristics. We are going to discuss some of few of the characteristics of the Python. Okay, so here I would like to discuss the first one is nothing but what kind of language a Python is. A Python is an interpreted language. So while learning the computer fundamentals and programming fundamentals, I think most of you know what is a compiler and as well as what is an interpreter. Okay, so what is a compiler actually? The compiler compiles or translates the whole program at once. Okay, so it translates whole program once, whereas the interpreter is nothing but line by line. So interpret means what? It's a line by line program execution that's called as interpretation. So here our Python is totally the interpretation. It is an interpreted high level general purpose programming language. Okay, high level, having supporting multiple number of the features, and it can be used for various advanced kinds of the concepts like scientific concepts, machine learning, deep learning, etc., etc. So it can be considered as the very high level programming language. Okay, so that's why a Python is an interpreted and as well as the high level programming. This is the first one and this is the second one, high level programming language. And coming to the second point, Python design philosophy emphasizes code readability. The Python, with its notable use of significant indentation. Here, we need to talk about the design philosophy of the Python itself. It designed in a way to understanding the program very easily. So code readability is more a ordinary learner can easily understand the code of the Python very easily. This feature is called as the code readability and with its notable use of significant indentation. So code readability is the third characteristic. Okay, so what is the code readability? Each and every learner who is going to learn the Python can easily understand, can easily grasp the code. That is the code readability. It is the one of the good characteristic of the Python. So this code readability helps in a way with the help of this particular the fourth concept that is called as indentation. Okay, so what is the meaning of this indentation? Okay, for example, when we are talking about the functions and the blocks that we are going to discuss in our coming sessions, so this is the block one and it is following some indent. The block 2 follows some indent and block 3 is having some another indentation like that it should follow, then only the line can be interpreted. If it doesn't follow the indentation, you may get the interpretation error or compilation error. So that's why you need to rearrange the according to the indentation, you need to rearrange the blocks and close the blocks. That much importance the indentation is given in the Python programming language. Another programming compared to in other programming languages it's less, but coming to the in Python, to improve the code readability for better understandability, Python strictly follows this particular indentation. Okay, so while working with the blocks that if and for loops, if conditional statements and for loops, and as well as writing functions also, we are going to use this indentation. Okay, in the coming forthcoming classes, forthcoming videos, I will upload these things. How what is the indentation, I will upload a video what is the purpose of the indentation, how we are going to carry out, why it is going, why it is throwing errors without indentation, everything we are going to see in the coming videos. So indentation is the fourth characteristic. Okay, and the next one is nothing but your object oriented approach. As the previous programming languages what we are having like Java and C++, this Python high level programming language also follows the OOPS concept, object oriented programming. Like how the Java and inheritance follows the polymorphism inheritance, here also the same polymorphism and inheritance can be shown. How the object creation can be done, here also the same phenomena, same object oriented approach is followed by the programming language Python. So this is the fifth characteristic. Okay, so totally five number of the characteristics are there in the Python. The very first one is the interpretation and high level and code readability and the indentation and object oriented approaches. Okay, so if you like this video, please subscribe for more videos. Thank you one and all.